Twin brother bagged first-class degrees from the University of Ibadan, both graduating as joint best graduating students. The twin brothers, Busoye Toyilope Matthew and Busoye Opegbeni Matthias, both finished with CGPA of 3.94 out of 4.00 from the Department of Electric and Electronics Engineering. They had also graduated as the overall best student from the Faculty of Technology as well. The Busoye twins bagged first-class degrees from the University of Ibadan. Celebrating their achievement with photos of award bagged, Matthias ex-handle, formerly known as Twitter, he wrote, Faculty of Technology, University of Ibadan, Best Graduating Student, BGS. The twin brothers Matthias and Matthew were speaker and president in the school respectively. However, Nigerians have taken to social media to celebrate this great feat by the twin brothers. Their achievement signifies the essence of education and the drive for excellence. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.